Hi, my name is Professor Jitender Govindani. I've been a passionate wildlife photographer for the last 13 years. Uh, I've been going to various jungles across the country. I started with no camera to now I'm using the best camera. I've improved in 13 years. What I realized is this wildlife photography has taught me a lot of skills such as patience, staying focused, thinking creatively, uh, going out of the way, thinking different. Right. So what I thought was Tiger teaches us a lot of things. Tiger teaches us tenacity. Tiger teaches us to be sometimes aggressive. Tiger teaches us how to remain patient for a long period of time. And very important part is once I started doing a lot of work on tigers, I realized that people have very little or absolutely no knowledge about the importance of tigers. Many people thought that tigers are only national animal, but if I ask people, why do you think tiger is important? Why do you think we should save the tiger? People hardly have any knowledge. So this particular exhibition, which was an innovative thinking of Mr. V.C. Sajana sir, who is the managing director for TSRTC, he said, why not? See, a lot of people do not have this chance to go to the wildlife destination. So he said, they cannot go and see the tiger, so let's bring the tiger to them. And with this kind of thinking, he came out with the idea of a mobile travel exhibition called as Hyderabad on Wheels, or for in this case it is called as Tigers on Wheel. Now, the whole objective of this particular mobile exhibition is to create awareness about the challenges that the tiger faces, which is poaching, shrinking of its habitats, and a lot of man-animal conflict. So through this particular exhibition, we would like to create awareness on the need to save the tiger, and indirectly, the minute, just imagine, if you're not able to save the tiger, the minute tigers are gone, what happens is that we lose the habitat. And the minute habitats are lost, what would happen? The jungles would go dry, right? And then 300 rivers that originate from these tiger reserves will vanish. So indirectly we say, save the tiger, save the ecosystem. And this exhibition is a step towards creating this awareness. What we are going to do is that this bus for the next 2 months will be going around the city and probably some districts as well. We would send this bus to various schools and colleges wherein to create awareness among the younger generation. During the college and school hours, it will be visiting schools and colleges. And during evening hours, this bus will be stationed at some prime locations in the city like various parks and popular public destinations, wherein people can visit this free exhibition, see the tiger in its full glory, and understand the importance of why should we save tiger. Thank you so much.